Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we are live swatching the Chocolate Factory collection launching on November 19th from Starbeam. So if you enjoy live swatches, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never ever miss an upload. And we are going to start out with the Everlasting Gobstopper. This polish is described as a berry based polish packed with multiple different color shift flakies, iridescent glitter, and hollow. So I like pinks, and I also really enjoyed Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but I also love Willy Wonka candies. So the fact that there's a collection inspired by it by one of my favorite brands gave me all types of joy. But also, this formula was very self-leveling and it wasn't hard for me to remove. So I did very much like the fact that you already get a lot of that opacity in the first coat while still maintaining all of the other beautiful parts of the finish and the glitters and the flakies, because that's so important to me. And it just really feels like it made this polish extra fun. So if you guys are wondering, Starbeam, who's that again? Starbeam is this wonderful new brand by Chelsea Fowler, and if you recognize the name, you already know that the quality is going to be on point. Like, check out the opacity in that second coat. I was really happy with it because it only took me 2 coats to get full opacity on my nails. Now, I am wearing a rich filling base coat and my nails are a little short, but I still have a very prominent visible nail line. So moving on to the next polish, we have Golden Ticket. This is a yellow base polish with a shimmer that shifts from gold to green to blue. So I'm just gonna say right now, I think it must be that shimmer that made me like this polish. I'm normally not very into gold polishes. I kind of shy away from them. I feel like they don't always look that great on me, but I feel like the shimmer that shifts from gold to green to blue gave it the dimension that it needed. Now, that is my first coat. You can still see my visible nail line a little bit. I know there are people out there that really dig that look. So that's the first coat, but I prefer not to see so much of my nail line. So I did go in for that second coat and I was pleased with the opacity. Now, under bright lights, you can still see a little bit of it, but in a normal lighting setting, you really wouldn't. But we are moving on to Chocolate River. This one is a chocolatey brown base packed with red to gold to green shimmer. And I am just so excited about it because I feel like this is another one of those polishes that falls into my autumn category because it just looks so good and so shifty. And I was a little upset with the live swatching because I couldn't quite get that angle to show you guys the part that really impressed me, which is that gold to green shimmer. But on the upside, that brown base carries that gold shimmer in a very beautiful way. And I'm already a fan of brown polishes. Now, this one did come off with a ton of opacity on that first coat. I really didn't need a second coat, but I'm a 2-coat girl. And I also sometimes do a second coat just to help with straightening out my cuticle line. I know that this isn't one of the rounded edges brushes, so you do benefit from doing the 3-stroke technique, which is basically don't start out right at your cuticle. Just start out a little ways away from it, one stroke, and then curve that second and third strokes on the side to clean it up. But we are moving on to the next polish, which I was really excited about this one. It is Pure Imagination, and it's a blurple base polish with scattered hollow and a shimmer that shifts from pink to green to aqua. Totally blew my mind. But then again, you guys already know, if you've watched my channel, that anything that shifts from blue to purple kind of just draws me in, and I can't escape it. I can't escape how much it excites my eyes. I just I have such a great time. But also, like, this one is really sparkly. I think it's that scattered hollow that gives it that sparkle, and I am in love with it. It feels so good going on. And then I did like 2 coats to get opacity, which I'm starting to feel like 2 coats opacity is my norm instead of 3 these days. But we are almost done with this collection. I'm gonna tell you guys about the last one I've got, and then some more information about the release. So Turning Violet is a blue violet base polish with a shimmer that shifts from blue to purple to pink. So I, of course, enjoyed the formula. It was not hard to remove, and 2 coats gave me the opacity that I was looking for. But on top of that, this was like, it came off in some angles as like the most rich sapphire, and at other angles you caught just a little bit of that purple, and it's like, is that purple or is it blue, or is it blue or is it purple? And I'm okay with that. I really enjoy polishes that feel like they're more than one polish at one time. So I definitely had a blast doing this one, and I did want to go ahead and tell you guys that not shown here is a Fizzy Lifting Drink. It's a topper with a shimmer that shifts from aqua to blue to purple to pink, and there will be swatches of that one soon, but due to supply issues I was not able to get my hands on it just yet. But here is the side by side, and while you guys look at it, I'm going to just run down really quick that there is going to be a pre-Black Friday sale at Starbeam. So I did want you guys to know that first 10 orders will receive an exclusive gift polish, limited early bird deals with huge discounts, discount mystery bags and mystery grab bags in different collections. The only one that will not be included is the Chocolate Factory collection. Y'all know it's the brand new collection. It will not be included, but you can definitely save some money on grabbing some that you may have already seen me swatch on this channel. So I'll try to go ahead and link those videos for you during this video so that you can get a head start on your shopping. And I believe that the sale will be going on for 7 days starting on the 19th. So definitely pay attention, get in there, get your goodies. As for me, that's the end of this video. If you're part of my nail fam, I am sending out virtual hugs. Thank you all so much for your support, and goodbye. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hanging out with us. Don't forget to leave me a like down below. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other.